This is Lisa, and this is task number 4. We're going to be performing an in-house ELISA test. We're specifically going to be doing a heartworm and tick-borne diseases test. It's the IDEXX 4Dx SNAP test, and it tests for heartworm, Ehrlichia, Ewingi, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, and Platypus borreliana, and anaplasmosa. So our test, it requires that it be sat out, not warmed though. I have the manufacturer's instructions here, and it says that you're supposed to let it sit out for 30 minutes, and our sample, it's been sitting out here for 30 minutes, so it's nice and warmed up, and or at least brought to room temperature. So we'll go ahead and open it up, and so we have our test here. We have the conjugate that it comes with, a little tube that you use for mixing the serum and the conjugate with, and I have some serum here. It calls for serum, that's on the instructions there, and I have a pipette for extracting the serum. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and take our cap off, extract our serum sample. We have all of our patient's information there too, and it says to mix 3 drops, so we'll go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3. And then it says to do 4 drops of the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can invert this a few times to let it mix. And then we'll go ahead and pour it onto our sample window there. And then we wait for it to spread across, and when we see it arrive in that little window, we're going to snap this down. So we're just waiting for it to arrive in the little window. Okay, now I see it in the little window. So I'll snap it down all the way, set our timer for 8 minutes, and we'll go ahead and read these results and record them in the patient's chart in 8 minutes. Okay, so we're done here. It's been the 8 minutes, so we can go ahead and read our result. And there is only 1 dot on there, which is our control, and so this would be a normal result. No signs of any of the tick-borne diseases or heartworm. So I'll go ahead and make a note of that in the patient's record here, that the SNAP 4Dx test was normal or negative.